Global developments to impact Sri Lanka. Headlines. China cut key policy rates to stimulate economy. 15-month high inflation in India. Freight cost rise on Panama Canal restrictions. China cut key policy rates for the second time in 3 months. Reuters said this is a fresh sign that the authorities are ramping up monetary easing efforts to boost a sputtering economic recovery, adding that tumbling credit growth and rising deflation risks in July necessitated more monetary easing measures to arrest the slowdown. Impact on Sri Lanka. While China is not one of Sri Lanka's main export markets, it is a major tourist source market. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, about 250,000 Chinese travelers visited the country each year. This dropped to less than 5,000 due to the pandemic restrictions, but has picked up in recent months. A slowdown in the Chinese economy puts pressure on their citizens' discretionary spending. India's annual food inflation in July rose over 11% as vegetable and cereal prices skyrocketed. Prices of some of the most used vegetables have more than doubled in the last few months. Rice prices in particular increased to a 12-year high as India, provider of 40% of the world's share, banned exports of non-basmati white rice to cap soaring domestic food prices. The overall impact is to raise global food prices. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka imports about $1.3 billion of food and beverage each year. As such, this news will not help household food expenses. An attempt to convert to organic fertilizer placed the country's entire food industry in peril, driving food prices higher. However, in recent months, there's been a steady decline in food inflation. Adverse weather conditions are making the Panama Canal Authority restrict the maximum ship weights and daily ship crossings. This is being done to conserve water. Reuters is reporting queues at the world's preeminent trade portal that, earlier this month, backed up 160 vessels and delayed some ships by as much as 21 days, such as raised freight prices on select routes. Impact on Sri Lanka. While an immediate impact is unlikely, rising freight costs on Sri Lanka's main trade routes, the United States and Europe, will make its exports uncompetitive. The island nation intends to export itself out of the current balance of payment crisis. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka. Until next time, have a great day.